What's up, my love gems? Welcome back to my channel. How y'all been doing today? Thought I'd get out on how the kids with me today and get just, you know, work and get some me time at the same time and do a little mukbang with you guys. And it's kind of hot here. It's about 80 something degrees. I have to raise the windows down. It ain't real hot where I could turn the air on, but I got me a double. Let me do like this, a double. What is it? A double deluxe, y'all. No mayo. I don't like mayo on my stuff. Good thing. Thank you, Jesus. You gotta see your mix. Oop. Tops so weak. They fries are so fresh. It's so fresh. Come on, open it. I don't know why it's taking so long. I'm gonna put some on my little Fred. You hear me? They ranch. Oh shoot. It's fire. Let me get this ketchup, y'all. Okay. I don't know how it flipped all the way back there. Let me show y'all. The ranch. You come in today and they give you big packs though. This is a big pack. And then they give you the honey mustard like this, y'all. And I ain't taste that honey mustard. I'm gonna dip some of this burger all up in there real quick. Like, I like that tangy taste. That's a real good tangy taste. More like a tangy Dijon or something. Sweet tangy Dijon. It's gonna rain. It's gonna rain. This fell on the floor. And I should have been paying attention because it collected something. Collected some hair on it. So falling on the floor. It ain't get on my food, but it's on the ketchup. Let me put that down real quick. Let's put it on up in there, y'all. I'm telling you, they look, y'all can have a bite. Go ahead. Let that ketchup. I'm trying to see which one I like the best, the ketchup or dipping it in the honey mustard. I can't even choose. But hands down for the french fries, the fries, the ranch tastes the best on them. As it says, that's how it tastes. Buttermilk. I gotta learn how to edit. I know I get more subscribers. I know I get more views. Never knew how to edit as much. Yeah, I don't know how to edit, y'all. And I never knew how to. Oh, I'm gonna dip my wrench in there. Some fast stuff. I don't know what to call this, fat, eating good, or just like different tastes. And I got, cause that milk messes me up. I'm in pain. I just got the lemon and the blueberry in the freeze at the bottom. No milk. It comes with milk though, but I didn't want it. I ain't finna be crying. Or bent over. I'm telling you. So good. I can't get enough of them wrenching them fries though. And one thing about Culver's, man, your food gonna be fresh. Because they don't play that. I don't know what just happened to my phone, y'all. Like the light just went. Y'all still see me? I took the kids, and I was like, they wanted McDonald's. Took them to McDonald's yesterday. I don't too much eat McDonald's, but yesterday I was like, let me give me a quarter pounder. I wish I would never got it because I had to tell them to, get the fries back, get this quarter pounder back. I'm not about to pay for nothing if it ain't fresh, y'all. I'm not about to pay for it. Man, fresh. It wasn't fresh. It was nasty. How you gonna get a quarter pounder that's supposed to be hot with cheese? Not fresh. Let's taste this. I already know how it tastes, but these are limited. You only get it out. I'm gonna get these in them, season them. They season them. Come around in the summer. I guess I'll keep that one right there. And but they are really good. The blueberry, and it's not as sweet, y'all. I don't like my stuff having like real sweet like that. I like very, very sweet like that. That ain't no candy. I don't want my drink like that. This Sierra Mist good though. And you could taste the blueberries. It's like a tart sweet. Yeah. I don't know how to explain it. It's real good. It's good to me. My taste bud. May not to somebody else, but the blueberries, you could taste them. Like when you whole blueberries and stuff in there, real blueberries. Okay, y'all, I'm getting full. My stomach's starting to get a little heavy there. I don't know why I want to keep going. Well, love gems. Them fries gone, man. Them fries was good with that wing sauce. I got the little bitty blueberries all in there, you see? Y'all need to get down to Culver's and get hooked up. You hear me? But anyways, until next time, peace.